everyone, welcome back. Today's topic is could have, should have and would have. What is that? These are called modal verbs. Now what are modal verbs? Modal verbs helps to express more complex ideas than verbs. एक छोटे से verb के साथ हम लोग express नहीं कर पाते, so we need the help of modal verbs so that we can express our ideas properly. Now what are those ideas? Ideas of possibility, ideas of regret and ideas of hypothetical situation. Now first come to the possibility. What is possibility? जो काम हो सकता है, that means for example I could have won the race. मैं वो race जीत सकता था. So that is a possibility. जो काम मैं कर सकता था. I could have performed well. मैं और अच्छा perform कर सकता था. So that is also a possibility. जो काम हो सकता है. Next is regret. Regret means missed opportunity. जो opportunity miss हो जाती है, तो हम लोग regret करते हैं, यानी पछतावा करते हैं किसी चीज का. That is called regrets. For example, I should have accept that job offer. मुझे वो job offer accept कर लेनी चाहिए थी. उसने नहीं की. That means उसे regret हो रहा है, यानी पछतावा हो रहा है. Next, I should have brought my lunch box. Now I am feeling hungry. मुझे lunch box लाना चाहिए था because now I am feeling hungry. So that is regret. Next idea is hypothetical situation. Now what is hypothetical situation? Hypothetical situation means काल्पनिक. जब हम सिर्फ सोचते हैं, कोई चीज हम लोग प्रेडिक्ट करते हैं या गेस करते हैं, that is hypothetical situation. जब हम कोई प्लान करते हैं वो पूरा नहीं होता है, या डिजायर करते हैं वो पूरा नहीं होता है, तो सिर्फ सोचते हैं, that is called hypothetical situation. For example, if he had enough time, he could have finished his project. So this is an example. That means उसके पास अगर टाइम होता तो वो प्रोजेक्ट फिनिश कर लेता. So both the cases real नहीं है. Time he doesn't have time and he has not finished his project. So both the things are unreal. So that is called hypothetical situation. Now all the three ideas, possibility idea will go with could have, regret idea will go with should have, and hypothetical situation will go with would have. Till now I hope you all understood. Let's move on to the examples. First of all, could have means possibility जो काम हो सकता है. I could have done better in the exams. मैं exams में अच्छा कर सकता था या हो सकता था मेरा exam अच्छा. I could have finished my homework if I didn't watch cartoons. अगर मैं कार्टून नहीं देखता तो मेरा homework timely finish हो जाता या हो सकता था. Next is should have.